Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. If you are subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you need to go ahead and click that subscribe button so you become a baddie. My name is Bubbles, the baddie, and in this weekend's video, y'all are going to come with me to turn up for Juju's birthday. Today is Friday, so it's gonna be like a little weekend in my life or whatever. I know me and my mom finna go to the mall, and then we're gonna stay in Savannah because we are gonna be celebrating Juju's birthday this weekend. Happy birthday, Juju! She's in my Vegas vlog, so yeah, I'm not sure if you remember her or not, but happy birthday, girl. Thank you for letting me celebrate it with you. So let's kind of get right into the video. I apologize for that rush intro. Your girl is running late.
Oh Lord, again. Again.
But what's new?
Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
So y'all can't see, but like underneath me I have my suitcase and I'm trying to pack it up right quick because me and mama say we're gonna leave at 3:30 at the latest so that we can go to the mall and then meet everybody in Savannah. So I got most of my outfits packed. A lot of my outfits, I ain't gonna say a lot, but a couple of them are incomplete, so that's one of the reasons why we're going to the mall. I'm super excited because I feel like if I go to the mall and find stuff, my outfit's gonna be like popping like how they're supposed to. I already got my brunch outfit. I got two options for my brunch outfit. That's good. My dinner outfit, I have a cute like dress grown up woman, classy looking one, but I needed like a ratchet one because I just need a ratchet one, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta find that. I have some pieces for it, but not everything is complete, so that's why I brought some pieces and then we can go to the store, see what else we find. Massage outfit, I got that. Chill outfit, I got that. And then I got an extra casual outfit for just in case. So I think I'm good, but I'm just like an overpacker. But I'm gonna go ahead and close the suitcase because y'all know your girl can run out with packing. Alright, so my big suitcase is packed with like my clothes, my hair stuff. I got all of my toiletries packed as well. Now I just gotta pack like my tech stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my tech stuff up right quick and then clean up my room and then I'm gonna get ready. I don't even know what time it is. Let's see what time it is. 1:20. Oops. It's 1:25, I think, so I'm making good time. I think I'll be done cleaning up my room and packing the rest of my stuff by 2, so then from 2 to 3 I can get ready. It's a plan. So I'm finna show y'all me packing the rest of my stuff and then show y'all when I'm cleaning up my room. Okay guys, so my room is officially clean. I took my rug and picked it up because I'm gonna just get it washed. Everything is now clean and this stuff on the floor I think is somewhere safe. We love that I already packed my suitcase, but I still gotta open it back up to finish getting ready, right? But yeah, so your girl gonna put on her bonnet and go ahead and get ready. I think I might have to go to the store to get something for my outfit, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna get ready because I'm running behind. Okay guys, so your girl's dressed now. I love my freaking outfit. Oh, and water. Your girl has gotten ready to her hair. I look real cute. I love my outfit. I did change my original idea because I was like, I want to say that for different hairstyle. Plus, I don't think that's what I'm going for today. What I got on right now is definitely one to vibe. Like, it's so cute. Me and mama gotta go to my grandma's house first, and then while we there, I'm gonna go ahead and take my pictures, I think, because I don't know what the weather gonna be looking like when we get to Savannah. I don't know if the lighting in the mall is gonna be good, so I was gonna take them at my grandma's house because she got pretty flowers and stuff, and I feel like that goes with the vibe. Plus my hair still be fresh and everything, so yeah, and I can like edit them on the way to Savannah. Smart. Yes, so we made it to the mall. I done took my pictures at my grandma's house. I posted on that. look at me being decisive, because usually take me forever to
Yeah, I got you now.
I'm sure y'all I'm getting them all, because this lighting is terrible. Why do you look like that guy for my whole person? Y'all, some fucking lady didn't give me all my change. Like, she was supposed to give me $16. She only gave me $6. I was like, blah, blah, blah. Hi. Okay, thank you.
This is so humiliating!
I'm so sorry. Okay, y'all, so I went shopping and everything, and I ain't got everything I need, but I got everything that I wanted to get. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but I got enough stuff to get through the weekend or whatever. Even though I already had a lot of stuff packed, I just wanted to get some stuff like my outfit super cute. Yeah, they got a boba place. I don't know if it's boba or boba, but they got a boba place in here, and I'm gonna try it because you know your girl been wanting to try it since months ago. So I'm gonna try this out. But then me and mom gotta get food, and then we're gonna go to the Airbnb and sign up. Period. Lindsay, say hey. You didn't say hey earlier.
Hello, how you doing?
Okay, y'all. So we at Five Guys trying to get some food because I ain't ate all day. You ate up?
No, I ain't
Yeah, we ain't eat all day. Okay, y'all. Little mini tour. This is me on mommy's room. I don't know what. It's probably gonna be Juju room. Another bedroom. Bathroom. Juju! Hey girl. Hey y'all.
Next Mel.
Y'all, we in Walmart. Did you say hey? We getting breakfast and stuff for the house. Yes. It's like 10 something in the morning, I think. We just got to take a shots and shit. Period. In the morning with it. In the morning. This whole weekend is hers, so we gotta turn up for her, especially since I went to sleep on her last night. Fucking OG out the bitch. Period. Big 25. Big 25. My toe is bleeding.
Oh my God!
I knew it was broken since we left the damn Airbnb, but I just thought it was broken. I said to God, I'm just gonna get this shit painted or get some new acrylic or whatever. I'm just fine. This shit is bleeding. I'm dead. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that.
Hold up, bitch. Hold the fuck up.
What the fuck was that?
You don't call during Corona. Yeah. Not right beside me, bro.
I was gonna buy Lando Lay's.
Some chef's juicy, Lando Lay's. They got cinnamon toast crunch drink. I wish you want to try that.
It will give you gas.
This ain't gonna give me gas. It probably will. Yeah, I don't want to be sitting nowadays. Y'all, my little foot is starting to hurt more and more. It's probably gonna be full. Yay, me! Ooh, my toe. Y'all, we at Starbucks. I got this ugly ass bone. Let me go in.
Just don't touch your face.
Yeah. But yeah, this line is my toe hurts so bad. Vanilla bean.
What?
A vanilla bean frappuccino with 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce.
Thank you.
You can one of 3 hold to double tap the tip.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. And here's a straw for that.
I hope it's good. I never had a vanilla bean frappuccino. So this busted everything, but I can tell if I had a goddamn marshmallow fluff, this would have been everything. Breakfast look good.
Yes.
Thank you, Big Mom. You said she helped. Teamwork. Teamwork made the team work.
to the new mall. Cause we just want to look around and then we gotta kill time. And yeah, I wanna take some pictures somewhere. I got cute shit little vibe. But I did straighten my hair. It's still kind of puffy. I'm trying to straighten it because I'll show y'all when we get to the mall. Okay, y'all, so we in Target. It's one of the stores in this little mall. I gotta get some stuff on my foot.
Later.
You just say hey. That's good. Looking OG shit. Period.
Y'all ever need your face beat? Holla at me.
Holla. I thought she was making fun of her. But we was at the restaurant Phoenix and we got 20 steakhouse. I don't even know how I want for this.
Order me some Alexander McQueen.
That's fine, but you know, watch your mouth.
Copycat, that's what she is.
Oh, y'all gotta sing happy birthday loud as fuck to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Shut up.
Look how she ate that. Alright, give me 2 seconds and I'll have a table right here.
Perfect.
The next morning.
Okay, vlog, so this bump got to go. It's ruining the mood.
I don't like that.
So it's freaking Sunday morning. It's like 11 something. We had to rush and check out the Airbnb. My behind, I didn't wake up till like 10 something. So imagine you got less than an hour to get your shit together and get up.
Bruh.
But somehow I did it. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, everything but my hair, and like fixed my lashes. So I'm kind of the GOAT. We still supposed to go get some brunch and massages and all that. So I'm excited. Juju, what you gonna say for that day for your birthday?
It's a celebration, period. Period.